We're here at Southern Manufacturing and I have the pleasure of being here with Simon Higgs. He is the area sales manager for the Southwest, so we're on his turf. I wanted to ask you, why is Matsuura been coming to this show for 20 years now? Why do we keep coming back, and why is it so popular with this incredible 5-axis machine? You brought the MX330 today, so talk me through why it is actually so popular.
We've been coming for 20 years. This show's been really successful for us over a number of years. A lot of new customers have come and found us at this show, which has turned into long-term relationships with those customers and multiple Matsuura machines. So the MX330 PC10 is one of our top-selling machines. We bring this in with 10 pallets and 90 tools and a fully automated built-in solution for our customers. In the UK, more and more people are talking to us about automated options, which Matsuura has been doing now for over 30 years. So we feel we're certainly at the front of those solutions and those options.
It's quite clear that this is so successful at the show and many people want to see it. So just tell me one extra little bit about the machine that you think really is the key point why people would go for it.
So this machine really is for customers that have got small to medium batch runners and repeaters at their business. So if they're looking for quick setups, we leave tools in the machine, we leave our fixtures set, and it makes it a very flexible machine. Customers can run 1-offs, they can run 10-offs, they can run 50-offs with zero setup time. And as you can see with some of the work coding options we've got here, we can multi-load. So we're not talking about 10 pallets and 10 components. We can multi-load components per pallet to give the customer longer run times and therefore ultimately longer unmanned production.
Simon, this isn't just a one-time opportunity to see this machine. Tell me, you've got a rather special facility that people can go to any time, really.
Yeah, of course. So we've got multiple machines up at our Leicestershire facility based in Coville. So customers will be welcome to come and see us at any time. We have a permanently open showroom there where we not only show the 330 machine, but some of our larger 5-axis multi-pallet machines alongside our horizontal options and also our turning product, which again are all built with automation in mind.
So it's just one phone call, quick opportunity, and you get to see this and so much more.
Of course, yeah. See our backup, our support structure as well that we run from the UK.